Okay, language explorers. Vamos a ver los personalidades. Uno. Personalities. One. Personalidad. So, primero, friendly. Amable. Amable. And unfriendly. 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 So let's have a look. Not quite. Yeah, nice. Muy bien. Let's say cruel, maybe. And antipatio. 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 Unfriendly. And conversador. 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 Enthusiastic. Emocionante. Enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. Enthusiasta. 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 Pero la contra es serio. Serious. Serious. Serial. And assertive. Assertive. Assertivo. Assertivo. And critical. Critical. Ooh, critical. And caring. Cariñoso. Let's try and get a picture. There's a nice, here we are. Cariñoso, caring. Caring. Cariñoso. Cariñoso. And sensible. 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 And insensible. Insensible. Yeah. Nada puede herirme. Nothing can hurt me. Insensible. Insensible. Nada puede herirme. Nada puede herirme. Yeah. Nothing can hurt me. So, sensible. Sensible. And insensible. And reasonable. Razonable? Razonable. Razonable. And unreasonable. Unreasonable. Irrazonable. 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 Yes, exactly. It's a scale. Let's have a look. So reasonable. Very good. Reasonable. Yeah. Razonable. Irrazonable. It's like, no. Irrazonable. Yeah. So, friendly. Well, personality. Personality. Friendly. Unfriendly. Talkative. Enthusiastic. Serious. Assertive. Critical. Caring. Sensitive. Insensitive. Reasonable. Unreasonable. Yeah, KY language explorers. So, entonces, puedes seguirme en YouTube, Facebook y Telegram. And también puedes encontrarme en Udemy, porque tengo más clases allí de inglés, de inglés, yeah. Pero vamos a continuar explorando.